What's going on, everybody? This is Mike at the Day Trading Musician. Today, I want to talk about what time frame is the best time frame to day trade. It can be a very subjective thing, but I have an opinion on what I think are the better time frames that can take a trader who just really seems to struggle with losses and getting faked out to somebody who can be a little bit more consistent in their trading. Let's not waste any time. Let's jump right in. Please be sure to subscribe and hit the like button and share this with somebody if you think it's value to you and can help somebody. Let's go ahead and get right in. So when you look at this 1 minute time chart, 1 minute time frame chart, you notice that there are a ton of candles, relative to these, which as a new trader, it looks cool. It looks like huge gains. It looks like this roller coaster of madness, of just great. Oh, I'm gonna buy at the bottom and I'm gonna sell at the top, and I think that's what really lures new traders into getting faked out so hard by this stuff, is because it is moving so fast that it's hard to gauge direction on a 1 minute time frame chart. If you're really wanting to make some money and you're wanting to hold a little bit longer, then I don't suggest 1 minute, 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute. 3 minute is where I would start. If I was newer, that's where I would start. But honestly, the best, in my opinion, from what I've found, is 5 and above. It doesn't. If you've done a 1 minute chart for the longest time, it doesn't feel like. It feels like you're slow to every trade is kind of what it feels like. When other people, you see them doing 1 minute charts, you're not looking at their P&L. If you look at their P&L, you're probably going to see that they're getting burnt out and faked out by stuff. And I think that's one of the biggest things you notice when you look across all three of these charts. What you want to see is strong direction. And when you get down to smaller the less candles, but you see a direction like this, like on this 10 minute right here, you know that is strong direction. Like, you know that when you enter this, when you're in this trade and you're seeing these candles going straight up like this, like that's a strong trend to the upside. And like, even on the higher candles, it's crazy because we have days where we can get choppy like this, and it's really, really easy to lose money on these lower time frames. Even the 5 minute here, it's real easy to just go back and forth and get chopped out. What I found with like these 10 minute candles and up, which 10 minute is my favorite. So let me go ahead and throw that. That is my opinion. That like 10 minute, 15 minute, maybe 10 minute by far has been my favorite, and it's been the most successful for me lately. I just have such I know it sounds weird, but a connection, and I can feel how the candles are gonna move, and I know, like, if I enter a trade somewhere, I know about how much. I don't know. I know how they move now, and it's when you've been in the market long enough, you just get those weird little ticks, I guess. And that's what I would say for day trading. 10 minute is by far my favorite. 10 minute and up. If you are doing longer swing trades, obviously you're going to want to go up higher to your 1 hour, 4 hour, which at that point you're looking at days. you're looking to build your trend off of days. I am not bold enough to start swing trading yet. I'm barely getting my day trading wings under me. But yeah, I would encourage you guys to check out the 10-minute chart, 10-minute, 15-minute, at minimum 5-minute. I know I said 3-minute earlier, but I would say really at minimum 5-minute. Challenge yourself to start watching your trades, paper trade, these different time frames, these higher time frames, and look how you get faked out less. Because I remember I tried so hard to make these 1-minute charts work. And these, I don't have anything on these charts except supply and demand right now. And that's just to keep them clean to show you guys, but when you've got all your charts on here, or I mean not your charts, when you've got all your indicators on here, most people have got their supply and demand, and it's whips on back and forth, and you're like, well, how do I know which way it's really going? Because up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. You know what I'm saying? Like, it just, I don't know. It's just, I find it's really easy to get faked out. So I would encourage you guys, go ahead, try the higher time frame charts. Comment in the section below what's your favorite. Am I just full of it? If I am, let me know. I'll gladly love to hear somebody else's take on this, but I really do believe that it is a game changer when you switch to a higher time frame. So I hope this helps somebody. Comment below, subscribe, like, and I will see you guys in the next video.